If you give me few minutes of your time, you'll be learning how you can create long-form AI story videos without spending days and hours just to create them. Don't skip this video, follow along with me and I will be doing that step by step. First of all, I'll be starting with a story. Now come to this platform, Claude AI. This platform is good in writing stories for your AI videos. I would like to paste this prompt and say, as a professional story writer, write a 3-minute motivational story suitable for children. The story must focus on humans, include a clear title and contain no dialogue. It must also include an animal in the story. The story will be like Disney videos, So click on generate. You can also have your own prompts, your own idea. You have to be creative on this. You don't have to copy exactly what I'm doing. Now here is our story. The next thing we want to do is to create our main character prompts. Now on the prompt box, I would like to paste this prompt and say, now provide the main character prompts. As a character creator artist, create highly detailed image prompts for the story you just generated. I'll just give you the instruction. Don't worry, the prompts will be provided on our Global AI HQ channel. Make sure you join the channel so you don't miss on any single prompt. Then click on generate. Now as you can see this image represents the character Maya, a 7-year-old girl. This is the primary character prompt for it. This other one is what happened in the scene, and also what continues here is what happens in the scene. So now the next thing you want to do is to copy your main character, which is this. For my image generation, I would like to use Leonardo AI. Click on the image tab. On the model box, click here. Make sure you look for Nano Banana. Click to select Nano Banana. Make sure you set your aspect ratio to 16:9 or 9:16 if you are creating it for reels. When you're done with that, click here to paste the prompts you generated and then click on generate. Now here's our base character Maya. So all we need to do is to click here to download it if we are satisfied with the image. For me, I'm okay with this. Click to download. The next one here is the supporting character, which is the Robin. We also generate an image for this. Copy your prompts, go back to Leonardo AI, paste your prompt, then click on generate. Alright, here is the result of our image. So we are okay with this. The next thing we want to do is to click on download. Now back to Claude AI. So the next thing you want to do is to tell Claude AI, act as a professional animator director, create multiple scripts scenes from 25 to 30, matching the story using the following format: scene number, narration, exact text from the story, image prompts, a detailed text to image prompt describing the scene in Disney Pixar animation character style. So when you're done with that, click on generate. Now this was just too much, so the next thing I always do when I have prompts like this, all I need to do is to tell the AI to write out the image prompt separated by 2 lines. Do not include the text, scene and its number, narration. Make it brief. As you can see, our image prompt is ready and we just need to copy them and paste. So the next thing you want to do is to come to Google and search for AutoWix extension and then click enter and then click on the first one here. As you can see, here's the extension. Click on add to Chrome. So adding this to Chrome will allow us to create our image the way we want to create it. So click on add extension. Now as you can see on the list of extensions, we have the AutoWix Automator. So now come to this platform, Wix AI. Now on the Wix AI interface, click on the browse gallery and then click on the enter tool. Now this is where the magic begins. On the Wix AI interface, this is where you add your subject. First of all, click here to upload the character that we generated and also click to add additional, which is another character, the reference image that we had, which is this AI bird, and then click to open. So this is our 2 reference character. Then when you're done with that, come here and click on the Wix Automator. On the Wix Automator interface, the first thing you want to do is to change your language to English. click on the rocket icon, and then you can see we have here the prompt box. This is where you paste those prompts that was generated using Claude AI. Now come here and copy our prompts. So I would like to start with this 3 first. Click to copy and then click here to paste the prompt. As you can see, it is able to identify 3 good images. This is the same thing we did there. We copied only 3 prompts at first, so it has been able to identify 3 different images. So now the next thing you want to do is to set your aspect ratio to 16:9, and then the image count should be 1, and then click on start. As you can see, the image are generating and they are also automatically downloading one by one. So another method you can also do is to import from file. It can be a document that contains all the prompts that you want it to generate for you. So we will continue by creating the remaining images. Click here to copy all the prompts. Come here and paste it. As you can see, it has been highlighted. 27. We have already created 3. That's why you have 27 here. Then when you're done with that, make sure your aspect ratio is set to landscape and image is 1. Click on start. This will automatically create your images for you. Then you can now use it to make your video. As the images continues to create, we want to create our voiceover. I will be pasting these simple instruction prompts. Convert the old script into a natural human sounding voiceover. Keep tone friendly and engaging. Add natural sounding pauses and rhythm. Emphasize important keywords. Adjust pitch and speech for excitement, suspense or emotions. Use light symbols for pauses and emphasis where needed. Do not remove or add any keywords. Deliver the script exactly as written. Make it sound cinematic and professional. So now when you are done with that, click on generate. So now I'll tell the AI to write them out without including the scene number. This is because I just want to copy them and paste it in the AI voice generator I'll be showing you next. Now as you can see, our prompt is ready. Come to this AI platform, Google AI Studio. This is a native generation AI studio you can use to generate your voiceover for free. Click on the turn text into audio with Gemini, and now as you can see on the interface, we have the single speaker, we have the multi speaker. So now what we need here is the single speaker. Click on the single speaker, and now this is where you select your voice actor. Click here to listen to the voices.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind? What do you want to explore?
Ready to make something amazing?
So now I would love to go with this voice. You can just listen to the voices and select the one that is very nice for you. Click here, and then on the text interface, paste the prompt that you copied from Claude AI. And then when you're done with that, just click on run. Now our AI voice is ready and you can listen to it.
7-year-old Maya loved to paint more than anything in the world. Every day after school, she would rush to her tiny bedroom and create colorful pictures of flowers, trees, and butterflies.
Click here and download your AI voiceover. And now for the images, as you can see, these are all the images. They all look realistic. It looks perfect. The camera angles, everything looks absolutely beautiful. So the next thing you want to do is to come to Grok AI. Grok AI allows you to turn your images into video. As you can see here, you come down here, click on video, because you can also create images using Grok AI, but because we have already created your images, you want to select the video option. You want to come down here and select it to your aspect ratio 16:9. If you don't know how to generate videos using Grok AI, I have a step-by-step tutorials on how you can do that. It will be linked below somewhere around this video. Generate your videos using Grok AI, and then
7-year-old Maya loved to paint more than anything in the world.
Videos.
Every day after school, she would rush to her tiny bedroom and create colorful pictures of flowers, trees, and butterflies. Her walls were covered with her artwork, each piece bursting with imagination.